Hi guys, today I'm going to give a presentation about the Walgreen network design. As we can see, there are 4 branches right here. Branch 1 is very basic design, network design. One router with coupled switches, which with the full mesh connection and the spanning tree protocol. So there's the orange dot right here. Is prepared for another cable. So in order to prepare for another cable, if another cable goes wrong, and for the server I set up the DHCP, which give the IP for another host. For the branch 2 is very similar with the branch 1, but they have the 3 routers right here, which cost a lot. It's very expensive. And each subnet has each subnet is different. So for this subnet 22.1 and for this subnet 33.1. However, we want to connecting those departments to make it communicated. So we set up we use the static routing setting, and for this router we set up network as this subnet and put the mesh, and the next hop will be the port right here. So you can figure out by your own work what did you put right here. And for the third one, for the branch 3, we use the VLAN VLAN technology, and as we can see, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 different VLAN numbers. So basically, we just set up the switch and set up the port, each port to the host. So and for the in the router setting, so we put up some command to make these things happen, like you can see, like in the Gigabyte Ethernet 6/0.5. This is VLAN 5, and I set up the gateway for this line, so it will make each VLAN can communicate. And for the branch 4, it's pretty similar with the branch 3. The only difference is we use the DHCP in the host, even though the VLAN 10 and the VLAN 15 is different number, but we still can use the DHCP to provide the IP for those 2 pieces. And for the VLAN 5, for the human resource is pretty interesting. Like we can ping out to the routers, but we can never ping in because of this. So this is more secure and for the human resource. And for the last section will be the headquarters. So I set up the 4 series, which in the MD level, and I set up the service which for the CEO, only for the CEO. I think CEO should have their own network, so they can be more secure. And as well, there's CFO server right here and the employee server right here, which can make these things communicate each other. Basically, this is how I design. Thank you for watching.